down. But grab by the legs.
This is the flock removal.
Oh, so don't do exactly what you did.
Peter, did you break the flamingo?
You gotta grab by the stem.
Oh, I
You can
got
get
it.
about 10 in your hand if you're good. You're experienced at flocking as long as I have been.
Jeff's an expert flocker.
Look at this.
You got a system going?
Lately, I've been flocking about 3 times a night.
I like all the Nissan representation here. Titan, Pathfinder, Sentra, another Pathfinder. It's a good flocking location.
What are you gonna toss me back?
Just like that.
You did the same thing.
You should take more care with the flamingos.
Did you guys bite?
Yeah. Well, some of them got donated.
So are these going somewhere else tonight, Jeff?
Yeah, we got another location. We got 5 locations tonight.
And how many total do you have so far, you figure?
We're running in about the 80 range right now.
Wow, that's awesome. If anybody wants to flock their family or friends, let me know. Mark us at halfwaymotors.com, or you can call Jeff and let him know that you want to flock on behalf of Halfway Motors, and we'll get it sorted. We'll try not to have Peter pick them up though. Thanks, guys.